Today I'm going on a train adventure for Nanowrimo, and I'm going to take you with me. This is something that my Nanowrimo region has been doing for quite a few years. They call it the Lesser Train Escape, and they take the train from Oceanside to LA and then hang out there and write for a little bit and then take it on back. So I am going to take you on this adventure with me because I have not scheduled any other content to go up for this week, so yay! Train adventures! Dylan, cue the intro. Okay, so I'm with my friend Chi in LA. The rest of the Nanowrimo people stayed in the train station, but we needed to find a charging thing. And we found ourselves in Chinatown. And there's some really cool stuff here.